Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education is not acquisition of knowledge but formation of character. We roll down a red carpet of welcome to all the dignitaries, parents and invitees, well-wishers and friends. So here we are together as a family to mark another landmark of success. Today we are proud to continue the legacy of celebrating our 29th grand celebration of St. Francis